Now what I'm going to do is create a script so that when we press the space key on the keyboard, it makes our player jump. So I'm going to create a new folder within the assets folder. So right click, create folder, and I'm going to call this folder scripts. And inside scripts, I'm going to right click, create a C# script. Player controller. So now if I double click on this, it should take me to Visual Studio and open up the script inside Visual Studio. Okay, so this is my player controller script. So I don't need all this stuff. Up here, we're going to declare some variables. So I'm going to call my rigid body 2D. My rigid body. I'm going to create a public float called jump, and we're going to make that equal to 5.0f. Now I need to create a void awake function, and I'm going to set my rigid body get component rigid body 2D void update. So inside this void update, we're going to tell it what to do when we press the space key. So what we're doing here is applying a force to our player's rigid body. We're multiplying the jump, which we specified up here as 5, times the mass of the rigid body times the gravity scale multiplied by 20. So if we save this script and go back inside Unity, we click on player and add the player controller onto the player, right? And then down here, we've got the script inside the player inspector, and press the play button and press the space bar. Our player does a little jump. We might want to increase the player jump actually, so if you go down into here and edit this, so let's say 20, there we go.